What's up everybody, this is your boy Shrinu strikes with another video. So guys, today I am standing at Ganpatipule temple, and this temple comes in the district of Ratnagiri, that is in Maharashtra. So this place is known for beach only, and this temple which is Ganpatipule, and right in the front of temple we have Ganpatipule beach. Activities है जैसे कि camel riding and we have boat riding. I think it is 200 per person. तो लाइफ जैकेट एंड ऑल वो आपको पहना के उधर बोट पे बिठाएंगे, घुमाएंगे राइड, और फिर आपको उल्टा करके पानी में गिराएंगे. सो कैमल राइडिंग, बोट राइडिंग और बीच पे आप जाके एंजॉय कर सकते हो. और यहाँ पर बहुत सारे स्पॉट्स है देखने जैसे, वहाँ पर मैं फिल्म करूँगा. So stay hooked onto my channel guys. Watch this vlog till the end. If you want to stay connected with me, then please do follow me on Instagram. You will get the Instagram ID below here. Or else, as always, link in the description below. So guys, if anyone is new, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. ऐसे ही new quality contents लाते रहूँगा मैं आपके लिए. और क्या, बस enjoy करो ये vlog. और मैंने सब traveling कैसा किया है वो दिखाऊँगा मैं अभी आपको. So let's roll the intro. So guys, we are heading towards Ganpatipule. So this is the way we have to go from here. So guys, this is my father. Father, say some words. So guys, these are my sisters. So guys, this is the place going towards Ganpatipule, and we have reached now, as you all can see. My family is also going ahead. So here is the parking slot for all the tourists. And there you can see the stalls and all. See. Here we have resort. See here. Here is the small temple. Beside this gate. Let's go inside and see. So in the screen guys, you can see the temple of Lord Ganesha. It is so killer view. Great atmosphere here. Loving the ambience guys. Do visit this place. See, there is the beach. I hope you all guys can see. And here is the temple entrance. School kids are also coming. So guys, we are at Ganpatipule beach, and as you all can see, here are the stalls देयर आर द स्टॉल्स फॉर ऑल द टूरिस्ट एंड जो कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड रहेगा वो नारियल पानी पीने में. कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है कहाँ से ख़त्म समझ में नहीं आ रहा, इतना बड़ा है. देखो, see the ambience guys, I'm loving it. Do visit this place once in your lifetime guys. और बीच तो कितना बड़ा है यार. So guys, अभी हम लोग और बाजू में ही टेंपल है तो टेंपल के थोड़े दर्शन लेंगे और फिर उसके बाद ऐसा एक रिवाज है, एक रिचुअल है कि फर्स्ट यू हैव टू विजिट बीच and take some water onto your legs and then you have to enter into the temple for puja and darshan purpose. So exactly we are doing that only. गाइस मैं आपको एक बता दूं, बहुत बड़ा बीच है. सी इतना बड़ा है यार, इतना बड़ा है ये. near temple, and so right in the front of temple we have this beach called Ganpatipule beach. Look at this massive beach. can have your lunch here after visiting that temple.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know